Hey, good afternoon, guys. Guess who? Live again here. It's one of my clients' houses that he's buying, and they're doing an inspection today. So it's let's go in and see what's going on. Absolutely gorgeous home. Let me turn it around again. It's better you see houses than you see my fat face for now. 1408 Autumn Ridge, gorgeous. Walking into the open living room, floor plan, dining room. Again, it's not going to go detailed in the house because it's already sold, so we're not trying to sell it anymore. Just want to get the water running, making sure there's no leaks. My guy Ray's sandbag, you can see his place out here. Let me see if I get a shot of Ray. That's Ray's company, Service USA Home Inspections. We'll walk out there in a little bit, but man, going through this process, you always want to pick your brain of the home inspector. I feel it makes you a better realtor, better asset, better resource for your clients, and just the industry overall. Understanding the homes. Again, not everyone's a handyman. Not everybody understands. There's Ray's. Come give him a call. He's a great guy. Yeah, picking these guys' brains, man. I mean, they know every screw of the house. They know every paint chip, and it's what they do for a living, especially Ray. Ray's been at this for, golly, I couldn't say how many years, 30, 40 years. Hey Ray, how long you been in the business? 24 years he's been in. So you think he knows a thing or two about what a good house looks like or a bad house looks like. My clients are extremely excited to be here. I can't wait for them to close on it and come here celebrate with them. Great little landing right here. Huge bedrooms, big hallway, restrooms. Yeah, look at that playboy. Look at this. And let me get this light in for you. What the hell? What the fuck's the light? Look at this closet, man. Pow, player. Loving this room, loving the master bedroom. Quite frankly, I'm pretty sure this is what sold them on it. It's just a big old garden tub. I'm gonna go pick Ray's brain today, man. That's the real reason I'm coming talking to you live now about it. It's not just to show you the house. Pick your brain, pick the brain of the home inspector, man. Especially for young agents out there. Those that aren't handyman mindset, don't have that idea of how to fix things or do shit. Pick the brain of your inspector. He'll teach you a lot, man. So what's special about this right here? They're moving into a neighborhood right next to some dear friends of them, so it's going to work out great. I was excited to go through the process with them. These are my friends, also clients, that are selling 8012 Sycamore Creek Drive right down the road, which we got to walk through here, another walkthrough here in a little bit that I'm pretty sure we're going to get a contract on. So yeah, how about it, guys? Nothing exciting here today. I just want to jump in and say hi. Hey, what's up, Craig? Thanks for the drinks last night, letting me chill out in the back porch. Big huge basement. Again, I'm not going to bore everyone with the house. Oh wait, yes I am, because I love this house. So stick with me if you're still with me here. Because I'm proud of my friends for buying it. They actually loved it. Loved going to ilovekentuckyhomes.com. How about that? Big huge basement they're going to get ready to finish. Absolutely gorgeous. Chris, what's up, pal? That's my buddy Chris who's buying the home. Making sure that Ray, you doing all right? Hi, anyone out there, you call my guy Ray Sandbag. He's tagged in on this video, and you need to get home, either find him on Facebook or give me a call. Absolutely every nook and cranny he does to make sure that the house is ready to go. So hope everyone's having a great day. Looking forward to this and many more. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.